right into the first product. I already have my moisturizer on, so I'm just going to be putting the Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. This is the only pore refiner primer that I use just because it's just so good. So I just have one squirt. Put it on the areas where you have big pores. So we're gonna be starting with the eyes first since this is the focus of the video. I will be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden, because you always want the eyeshadow to last. Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Latte palette in Dominique Cosmetics, and I love this palette so much just because you have your neutrals and then your pops of colors here, and I love the names. It's all based off coffee, hazelnut, caramel, vanilla cream, mocha. So the first color we're going to be using is caramel right here. And use a fluffy brush like this and just do a windshield wiper motion. So now that we're done with the transition color, I'm going to go over my crease to give it more dimension, and I'm going to be using Pumpkin Spice right here. Such a gorgeous caramelly orangey color. And I'm just going to be putting it right where my socket is, and just again do it in windshield wiper motions. And I got a slightly stiffer brush like this to concentrate the color on the crease. Since you're starting with the eyes, you don't have to worry about fallout, because later on you're going to be cleaning that up. So I wanted something different for this look, and I decided to venture out than my normal neutrals and browns. So I'm going to be playing with this color. This is going to be the highlight of my look for today. So that will be on the lids, and this one doesn't even have any Max Fix Plus or any sort of liquid, and it's crazy how pigmented the eyeshadows are. Now that you put that shade on the eyelids, obviously this is not done yet and it's still harsh, you could see the line. I will pick up a slightly tapered brush again and go back to that color and blend it out. Now if you think you kind of lost a little bit of color on the lid, you can always pack it on again, but at least your crease is all good to go. Alright, we are almost done with the eyes, so I'm going to be grabbing Mocha. It's this brown color over here, and slightly add that to the crease, and I'm using a brush like this, very pointed brush, and just really focusing on the crease, and then blend it again with your teal color. So now that the edges are clean, I can go ahead and do my face and then my eyebrows, and then we are gonna go back again to our eyes. All right, now we're gonna be finishing off the eyes. I'm going to go back to first caramel right here. So I'm gonna be using this same brush that I used earlier and diffuse that. It's kind of like the upper eyelid, just the other way around. Then I'm gonna hit Pumpkin Spice, which is this one right here, and do like a medium fade underneath. Picking up a really tight brush like this to pack on the color Cold Brew, which is the teal color. Alrighty, we are almost done. So I'm actually going to put a creamy whitish pencil the bottom waterline. So this will give it like a bigger looking eye effect. So sometimes colors and dark colors tend to make your eyes look smaller. So this is a great tool to make your eyes look bigger. For the eyelashes, it's optional whether you just want to put mascara, loads and loads of mascara to compensate for the dark eyeshadow, or for me, I like putting falsies on, and this one is from Violet Voss. So I will be putting that on the side, and then we'll go back with mascara and then finish off with the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to be using two products. The first one would be Pro Longwear Lip Pencil by MAC, and it's the shade Morning Coffee, and I love this shade. It's just so good. And then for the lipstick, it's the Milani Lip Cream in Amore Matte, and it's just a nice nudie color, and I want to use nudes so the eyes would really stand out. And lastly, the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Spray, which will make your makeup last all day. Here is the close-up of the eyes. And that is it for my video for today. And if you like this video and want more videos like these, please hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. Remember, whatever today brings, always find joy. So I highly encourage you to try something new today, even if it's just like your makeup or makeup routine. It's actually my first time doing teal makeup or teal eye look, and I think it turned out pretty okay. So we wouldn't know unless we try, right? So yeah, up until the next time, bye.